Hello and welcome to Just Garden Tales. While strolling today, I saw this pretty oxalis flower blooming everywhere. These tiny pink flowers. These are so eye-catching on the green backdrop. And these small orchid flowers, brown orchid flowers. Do you know these flowers tells us the beginning of approaching rainy season, and these rain lilies are one of them. They indicate the beginning of rainy season and bloom just in the right time. I have seen these flowers bloom everywhere since my childhood. They are always around. Isn't nature fascinating?